What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the cab of the service truck. What are we doing today?
All right, so we got a 982M with a C13 with a failure to ignite code. Now, I still get these questions from time to time about hard head troubleshooting and tooling needed and all that. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick rundown, a quick video on tooling needed to diagnose your ARD issue. Okay, so you can pretty much get as much as you want from the old CAT catalog. We'll start out with the obvious. Check the transformer. You got your tool group right here, 373-4609. That is going to be for your spark checker. Then, as far as when you pull the plug out to do further testing, here's a bore brush you can use, a 305-2389. As you can tell, goes right into the spark plug bore, really clean. Now, as far as for checking the diverter valve and ARD fuel pressure, I use a -6 O-ring faced test fitting. No big deal there. And get yourself a gauge that will monitor at least 300 psi pressure. And then get yourself enough test line that you can wrap it around the machine away from the exhaust. Now, this is not needed, but I'd highly recommend it. Get yourself a Wi-Fi enabled borescope. This guy right here, with different angles and what have you, makes it so easy to get into the ARD head to actually see if the injector's leaking or how bad the swirl plate is fouled. Can't leave this tool out, which is the amp clamp, to actually test the nozzle heater. This right here does come in handy, and when they do fail, you want to kind of know if it's putting out any current or if it's low. And last but not least, get you a 17mm and notch it a little bit, just like that, so you can get down to those temperature sensors that can be a real pain in the ass. Now, without your comm adapter and ET, of course, none of this is going to be needed, and you need to call somebody like me to come out there and fix your machine. But hopefully you guys found that informative. Like I said, this is all basic tooling. You don't necessarily need to get it through the CAT catalog, but if you work for a CAT dealer like me, you have access to it and you probably get it at a pretty good deal. Do what you guys always do: like, share, subscribe, peep pump the world. I'll see you guys in the next video.